Aluminum Loaf Pans Disposable. This set of rectangle loaf tin pans is suitable for catering party portions, baking, roasting, heating, prepping, and storing foods even for delivery or takeout. Add this pack to your restaurant or food truck supplies. Heat conductivity. Our foil pans with lids feature heat conductivity that warms food evenly and can withstand temperatures of up to 440 Fahrenheit. The small aluminum pans are safe for use in freezer, oven, and steam table. Durable material. Made from thick gauge, heavy-duty aluminum foil, the bread pans for homemade bread feature full curl rims and provide a sturdy grip for easy handling and serving. Dimensions. Each disposable baking tin with lid measures 8.5 by 4.5 by 2.5 inches. The tins have a 22 ounces capacity, ideal for baking 2-pound bread, meatloaf, casserole, and pasta. Comes with. You will receive 50 pieces of disposable aluminum pans with lids and 50 corresponding foil lids. Please note the cardboard foil laminated lids are not oven safe. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely wonderful. I like to make mini lasagnas and keep them in the freezer for my husband and I to have a great dinner easy, and these are great for that. I had been buying these pans at the stores but I couldn't find any with the cardboard tops and was just covering them with foil, which worked, but these tops will be better because they won't get holes and tears while being shuffled around in the freezer. I expect this pack of 50 to last for quite a while, too. I was a little concerned how they were going to be shipped, but no worries there, they were shipped in a box which will help with storing as well.